Imagine running a hospital where patient wait times stretch into hours, staff are drowning in last minute schedule changes, and quality metrics slip through the cracks. Sound familiar? The Clinical Workflow Pack tackles this chaos with AI powered tools. A patient flow scheduling engine that predicts bottlenecks using historical and real time data, dynamic resource allocation algorithms that balance nurse to patient ratios and equipment usage, a real time quality dashboard tracking HCAHPS scores and infection rates, and FHIR compliant EHR integrations that sync across Epic, Cerner, and Athena Health. For hospital COOs, clinic directors, and practice managers juggling too many spreadsheets, this isn't just efficiency, it's clinical workflow magic. Here's what's inside the Clinical Workflow Pack. First, AI-driven patient flow scheduling with ML models trained on 10M plus encounters. Then, dynamic resource allocation that auto-adjusts staffing based on acuity scores and real-time bed occupancy. Next, a quality metrics dashboard with customizable SLAs for JCAHO compliance. Add EHR interoperability via smart on FHIR APIs, predictive analytics for no-show risk scores, and automated shift swapping protocols for staff. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool, it's your operating system for better care. Installing the Clinical Workflow Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Clinical Workflow Pack. That's it. You get the full AI scheduling engine, resource allocation models, quality dashboard templates, and EHR integration modules, all 42 components. In your next Claude Code session, just say, optimize tomorrow's OR schedule, and watch it auto-generate block allocations using your historical turnover times. Your AI assistant now speaks ICD-11 codes, HL7v2, and even understands why you hate double booking. Welcome to frictionless workflows. You'll wonder how you ever practiced without it.